Capture every drive with clarity, safety, and reliable performance on a budget. Best dash cam under $100 delivers essential features without overspending. Enjoy clear footage, night vision, loop recording, and easy installation that keeps you protected on every daily trip. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. SUVCON 1080p Dash Cam. The SUVCON 1080p Dash Cam is a practical choice for drivers who want full coverage without spending much. Its triple-channel setup stands out immediately, combining a 170-degree front camera with 150-degree cabin and rear cameras to significantly reduce blind spots. This makes it especially useful for rideshare drivers or families who want interior monitoring along with road coverage. The IPS display ensures a clear image from different viewing angles, which helps during playback or live viewing. Performance-wise, the built-in G sensor adds an extra layer of security by automatically locking footage during sudden impacts or vibrations, even when the car is parked. Loop recording works reliably, overwriting old clips when storage is full, and the included 32GB card means you can start recording right away. Night recording is handled well thanks to infrared LEDs and WDR technology, which balance exposure and improve clarity in low light conditions. While it doesn't push into 4K territory, the 1080p resolution is sufficient for everyday driving evidence. Overall, this model delivers strong value through its triple camera system, ease of use, and dependable safety features, making it a solid, budget-friendly option. Number 2. ROVE R2 Dash Cam. The ROVE R2 Dash Cam is one of the more advanced options in this lineup, offering impressive 4K Ultra HD recording that noticeably enhances detail and clarity. Whether capturing license plates or road signs, the sharp resolution gives it an edge over typical budget dash cams. Its super night vision, powered by a Sony IMX335 sensor and f1.5 aperture, performs well in darker environments, producing cleaner and more balanced footage. A standout feature is the built-in Wi-Fi 6, which enables fast video transfers to your smartphone through the ROVE app, making it convenient to review or share clips instantly. The integrated GPS adds another layer of functionality by tracking driving routes and speed, which can be useful for documentation or insurance purposes. Additionally, the inclusion of a supercapacitor improves durability compared to battery-powered models, especially in extreme temperatures. While it doesn't include a memory card, it supports large storage capacities up to 512 GB. Overall, the ROVE R2 is ideal for users prioritizing high-resolution recording, connectivity, and advanced features in a sleek, reliable package. Number 3. Pelsee P1 Duo Dash Cam. The Pelsee P1 Duo Dash Cam offers a balanced combination of high-resolution recording and modern convenience features. Its dual camera system captures 4K footage from the front and 1080p from the rear, ensuring clear and detailed coverage in both directions. The wide-angle lenses help minimize blind spots, making it a dependable companion for daily driving. One of its most appealing features is the built-in Wi-Fi with app control, allowing users to preview, download, and manage recordings directly from their smartphones. This simplifies file handling and eliminates the need to remove memory cards frequently. Voice control is another highlight, enabling hands-free operation for tasks like capturing photos or locking videos, which enhances safety while driving. Night performance is solid thanks to its wide aperture and advanced image processing, which reduce glare and improve visibility in low-light conditions. The design feels modern and user-focused, catering to drivers who want both performance and ease of use. Overall, the Pelsee P1 Duo stands out as a smart, tech-friendly dash cam with strong recording quality and convenient features. Number 4. IIWEY N5 Dash Cam. The IIWEY N5 Dash Cam is designed for users who value simplicity and reliable performance over extra features like GPS. It comes ready to use with a pre-installed 128GB memory card, which is a significant advantage for those who prefer a plug-and-play experience. The dashcam uses loop recording to ensure continuous operation, automatically overriding older footage when storage is full. Its built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi offers faster connectivity compared to standard options, allowing quick access to recordings through mobile apps. While it doesn't support Bluetooth or GPS tracking, it compensates with stable app control and efficient video management. The use of a supercapacitor instead of a battery improves durability and safety, particularly in hot environments, although it requires a constant power connection. The rear camera setup is wired, which may take a bit more effort during installation, but ensures consistent performance. Overall, the IIWEY N5 is a straightforward and dependable dashcam that focuses on core functionality, making it suitable for users who want a no-fuss recording solution with solid storage and connectivity.
Number 5. Virrow 64GB Dash Cam. The Virrow 64GB Dash Cam delivers a feature-rich experience with its dual-camera system, combining 4K front recording and 2.5K rear footage for comprehensive coverage. This setup ensures clear and detailed video from both angles, helping capture important details like license plates and road conditions. The wide-angle lenses further enhance visibility by reducing blind spots. A notable feature is the built-in touchscreen, which simplifies navigation, playback, and settings adjustment, making it user-friendly even for beginners. The G sensor automatically detects collisions and locks crucial footage, ensuring that important clips are mahfuz and not overwritten. Night recording performance is strong, supported by WDR technology and a wide aperture lens that improves clarity in low-light situations. The included 64GB memory card is a practical addition, allowing immediate use without extra purchases. Loop recording keeps the camera running continuously without manual intervention. Overall, the Virrow Dashcam offers a well-rounded package with high-resolution recording, intuitive controls, and dependable safety features, making it a great choice for everyday driving protection. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.